Here's a CMA tip for you today. It has to do with accurate snapshots in time. Our market conditions are always changing, and so you need to make sure that your CMA is current. By the time you create it and your potential client makes a decision, the market could have changed. In order to keep track of accurate snapshots of that market in Matrix, they've given you the option to duplicate a CMA and modify that duplication. You would simply hover over My Matrix and click on My CMAs. Select the report you would like to update by checking it off, and then at the bottom of the screen, click on Copy the selected CMA. The system now produces a copy that you can modify and update. You'll have your original CMA as well as your updated CMA. And every time that you need to update that snapshot, you can repeat the process. Hoping that this tip has served you well. And as always, thank you for being a Miami member.